As a technology innovator, you know that choosing the right tools is a key part of getting your project on the right path. And you also know that is just the beginning. Just as critical is how you mitigate likely risks and delays, like how to shorten time to first measurement, how to find answers without wasting valuable time, how to ensure your measurements are accurate and you stay on budget, and on time if equipment malfunctions. At Keysight, we care about your success throughout the life of your equipment, not just at the point of purchase. For that reason, we created KeysightCare. KeysightCare is a family of carefully curated support plans to help you maximize uptime, optimize measurements, and get you the answers you need, all at our fastest available times. When you first turn on your equipment, our Getting Started resources get you from setup to first measurement quickly and seamlessly. Have questions or issues? You'll have access to the industry's most comprehensive knowledge center, fueled by generative AI, to help you find answers across thousands of documents. Prefer live support? AI-powered case routing instantly categorizes your inquiry to route you to the right engineer right away. As a KeysightCare subscriber, your questions move up to the top of the queue and receive personalized support from beginning to end. Even top-of-the-line equipment malfunctions from time to time. When it does, your KeysightCare prioritized experience ensures you get back online fast and operating better than ever. We equip our 60 worldwide service locations with machine learning and Gen AI capabilities for collective observation capture, intelligent prediction and diagnostics, and offer a complimentary calibration with every repair. When it comes to extending the life of your instrument, experts agree that periodic calibrations are key, but that's not all. What type of calibration and how it is performed is essential to ensure you can trust your measurements and the quality of your designs. With KeysightCare, you have access to the largest suite of calibration options, OEM adjustment procedures, and the most advanced calibration instruments. And unlike many third-party suppliers, we provide in-depth evidence of traceability and compliance to global standards. When yields, production costs, and your quality image and market share are on the line, KeysightCare gives you peace of mind. Uptime, precision, expertise at your service. Learn more at KeysightCare.com.